If you've lost access to your Google account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps to recover your account quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Google Account Recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. Make sure to use the correct information to ensure the recovery process can identify your account. Step 3. Follow the prompts. After entering your information, follow the on-screen prompts. Google may ask you to verify your identity through a code sent to your recovery email or phone number. Check your devices for the verification code. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when you created your account. Providing accurate answers can help verify your identity and speed up the recovery process. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Google account. Remember to update your recovery options to prevent future access issues.